My name is Joanna. I'm a manufacturing manager at Oxford Medical Products. OMP was founded in 2016, and currently we are a company of 50 employees and growing. Oxford Medical Products has developed Sirona, a gastroretentive hydrogel platform technology that is currently in a human clinical trials as a weight loss treatment and has a potential applications to a drug and nutraceutical delivery and biosensors. My team and my role are integral to maintaining quality, driving efficiency and supporting innovation, all of which are a key to Oxford Medical Product success. We use up to 1 liter of our washing solution per every peel we make. It wasn't feasible to install the equipment into our facility to manufacture the volumes that we knew we were going to need. While initially we were able to meet the demand, we only used 20 liters at the beginning. It's very different now. We needed a supplier who was able to support us through the development phase and continue to support us through the scaling up and beyond. We researched multiple tool mixing companies before selecting ReAgent, and ReAgent was the only company that we contacted that offered support from the initial small batches all the way through to the full production quantities. John and Kerry were extremely kind and very easy to deal with and able to answer all of our questions. By using ReAgent, your quality control and reliability in results can minimize costly errors. Also, you do offer bulk pricing, which reduces per unit costs. Initially, we received our washing solution in 5-liter bottles. Now we receive them in 1,000-liter IBCs. I would definitely recommend ReAgent for their commitment to high-quality products, innovative solutions, and excellent customer service. Strong industry reputation and focus on sustainability make them a reliable choice for any research and industrial needs. Also, ReAgent's ability to support us through our growth from R&D to clinical trials has been absolutely instrumental to our success.